I'm home.
I gotta do it big.
Whoa, check it out.
I gotta do it big. I gotta do it big. Gotta do it big. That's the only way to live. Come on. Yeah, come on.
Hi everybody, I'm Will Koberg, Koberg Real Estate Group, and your guide to all things real estate. And today, we're in front of 4052 Park Lane on the iconic Park Lane street of Midway Hollow in Dallas, Texas. And I'm pumped up because if this home was for sale right now, it'd be worth around $1.7 million in today's market, but it's available for you right now for $8,900 a month as a luxury lease. You can see it's got a beautiful modern farmhouse style. It was built in 2019, plus the main home. That's right, there's two pieces of this property. The main home features 4 bedrooms with 4 ensuite baths. It's got over 3,200 square feet of living space, open concept living space. You got a great utility room. There's a steam shower in the master bathroom, plus a custom closet. And you got 2 bedrooms upstairs, 2 bedrooms down, and an awesome security gate to roll into your beautiful backyard. Plus, there is an additional detached guest suite in the back. They converted the 2-car garage into a 1-bedroom, 1 full bath, half bath with a complete kitchen, living space with room for a stackable washer and dryer if somebody else wants to live in the back. So this and that's over 1,000 square feet. So this property is incredible, and I want to give you a look right now because it's not going to last long. You don't find leases like this every day in such a great area located close to Central Market and all things Dallas, including Love Field. Are you ready to check it out? Let's go, come on. Another great feature about this home is you've got ample parking space with this circular driveway in the front, and then you've got your driveway with your security gate in the back. So walk up here to the front door, beautiful glass doors. Hey, it's no bad days when you live at this property, Casa, no bad days. All right, come on in, let's go check it out. Whoa, I love it. When you walk in, you've got this beautiful heart of pine flooring from the front door all the way to the back door and all over the first floor. So beautiful flooring. Right when you walk into the left, you've got this bedroom with ensuite bath. And I really like how you have this sliding barn door feature right here. Again, modern farmhouse. Come on in, you got this beautiful 2-story entry. And lots of natural light in this home. Great windows. You've got these beautiful natural tones as far as color and paint palette. Beautiful neutral walls allow for plenty of light. And then you can see when you walk in, you get to see your beautiful backyard, sliding doors. You got this great living space, complete with these wood beams, the stone fireplace, and your kitchen. So all of the living space in here gives you a great opportunity to hang out with friends or family. Great lease opportunity for you if you're in transition, or if you're a CEO, or if you've had a home that's getting redone and insurance is helping you out, finding you a temporary place to live in Dallas while you get all of that straightened out. So whatever the reason is that you might be needing a lease, this gives you the best opportunity and the best location in Dallas. No matter if you're going up to Frisco or down in downtown Dallas, this home has you covered and is close to everything. So when we're in the kitchen, we have this large island, as you can see, with a farm sink. Plus, you have a 6-burner gas cooktop, stainless steel appliances. So if you like to cook, you got plenty of space to move around in here. Lots of cabinetry space, microwave. This is your spot for pots, pans, or your toaster. Double oven, and you've got this large fridge, freezer on the right, freezer on the left, fridge on the right. Over here, you've got your utility room space where you enter. So you drive into your security gated motor court, jump out, come right in here, close the security gate behind you, bring your groceries in this way. So if you're concerned about that, this gives you a great opportunity to close the gate, jump out of the car, bring everything in right here. So that's a great feature that you need to make note of. Utility rooms, got plenty of space for washer, dryer. You've got a sink in here, and then lots of storage and closet space in your utility room. And I love it how it's all right here, so you don't have to bring dirty clothes or make a mess in the rest of the home. Everything's right here. Again, lots of storage, and then a nice walk-in pantry right here for all of your vittles. Pop. There we go, and they got a lot, so. Let's go check out this side of the home. Actually, let's go upstairs, and then we'll come back down and check out the master suite. Isn't this great? Whoa, check it out. We got a game room, media room up here. So the second story includes this large game room area. Again, great windows for lots of natural light up here, plenty of space to put chairs, couches. This could be your workout area and place for your mounted TV. One thing to note is the home does have Sonos all around the home. Beautiful feature about the home is the owner takes care of all the utilities and bills. It's built in to your rent, so you don't have to worry about that. All you basically have to do here is come log in to your YouTube account, your Netflix, or whatever, and it's plug and play, baby. So you talk about ease, this has it all. And there's no third-party property management company. So you deal directly with the owner. And another thing is pet friendly. So if you got some furry friends, they are more than welcome to stay here. All right, let's go check out the other. Upstairs, you have an additional bedroom on both sides of your upstairs with their own full baths and additional storage here in the hallway. And again, the bedrooms have their own walk-in closets. So just a beautiful, each bedroom's got its nice touch, got beautiful flooring, high vanities. This one's got a tub, and then you've got a shower in the other one. Look at this, big bedrooms, plenty of space to put a dresser, cabinets, a sitting chair, so very big bedrooms, which is great. Over here, this bathroom, again, high vanities, a different kind of granite up here, and then you've got a shower on this side where you've got the tub on the other one. Coming on down, I like the wood railing with these metal spindles. Okay, let's go check out the other side of the home, which is another great feature. You got this hallway that goes back to your master suite, and then you've got the guests over here. So if you want privacy, this property definitely gives that to you. So, wow, look at the size of this. You got kind of this little vaulted ceiling, plenty of space in here with an exit to your backyard. I like the wood beams they have up here. And then you've got this sliding door with full-length mirrors, so you can check it out, make sure you look good before you go out on the town or to work in my case. Walk into this bathroom. Again, his and her vanities. You've got this soaker tub, standalone soaker tub, large mirrors, lots of great lighting in here. Your potty's on this side, and then look at the size of this shower. This is great. Nice big walk-in shower. Got a little place right here to shave your legs, or you can sit down there and enjoy the steam. That's right. You can see we close it up here, and this offers a steam shower if you just need to get a good sweat or just relax in here after you do your cold plunge, Mark Wahlberg. And then check out the size of this closet. Is this great or what? You've got all this custom cabinetry in here, plenty of space to hang items. You can see these folks right here. They got more space than they need, which, hey, you can never have too much closet space. Am I right? I'm right. Whoa, here we go. We can go out this way to our covered patio. This is nice because you can walk right out of your primary bedroom, enjoy a little coffee on this porch. You can see you got good privacy, so nobody's looking inside your backyard. Here we are back in our main living space, which is great to just sit down and relax. And then when you're ready to walk outside, we do that through these beautiful glass sliding doors that give us direct access to our patio and backyard space, which you got plenty of space back here to throw the ball, let the dogs run around, have a little picnic party, whatever. And then access to your guest home, which is this area right here, 2-story guest house, detached. You've got a door on this side in the yard, and then one from your from your driveway, so either way, you got great access. You ready to go check it out? Come on, I'll meet you inside. Haha, I'm home! Whoa! So this is a great space if you have guests coming over to stay with you while you're leasing this property, or if you've got a roommate and y'all don't want to live in the same home. Great value. This was originally a 2-car garage, which when they sell the home can be converted back, but you can see you've got ample space down here for a nice living area. You've got a full kitchen, so half bath over here, all in this downstairs area. So even if you didn't have a guest, but you just wanted to entertain, this is a great area to do that. You have your half bath. You can see granite countertops, lots of storage. You've got your, it's all electric down here too, but you got your fridge, oven, cooktop, and your dishwasher. Upstairs, you've got your living quarters. Ha-ha, right here. So upstairs living quarters include this spot right here for your stackable washer and dryer if you need to use that. Close that. I like these solid core doors too. Nice, good quality build, by the way. You have this open living area upstairs. You got your bed and then plenty of space for dressers, whatever you may need. And then, again, sliding door into your bathroom. So you've got walk-in shower, plenty of space, whoop. Small by no means. You got a spot here for a bench, glass tile all the way on the floor, a little space for your shampoo and whatnot. Potty, vanity, and your closet, which offers hanging racks and storage right here. So very well thought out, great guest quarters or another additional living space as part of this property to really give you a ton of value if you're looking for a lease in Dallas, Texas. I hope you enjoyed today's home tour of a great property. You can definitely tell the transition that's happening with this home here in this Midway Hollow area, and it's for lease right now for you. So if you want a great luxury lease property, this is the home for you. To get more information on this property, check out koberggroup.com. Contact me via phone or email, and please check out all of our videos on our YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe and like and make a comment because I love to hear what you have to say. I'm Will Koberg, #WillSellsIt, and we'll see you on the next home tour. God bless, and no bad days.